change from name change to governor from Hablo. Easy no did it and we run the road like minivan. One talk 100 rifle.
Hey, yeah, me say no man, them know the bad step you know, me represent for Stinger Family Entertainment, you know, which is the baddest entertainment. Watch out, like, share and subscribe, you know, YouTube, you know, and them have the latest. You know the thing.
Viewers and subscribers, you still say I don't lazy, Jaja God. You see what the man do? What me tell you say, this summer for Donia, yeah man, Donia some of this, yeah man, man governor too. Okay, I said Donia and governor drop a new song in man, no joke in a new collab in a drop not too long in a not even an hour yet in a fresh pan the market in a Stinger Family are the first vlogger on the year with that review, yeah. No joke, I'm first I tell you about it. You see me? So yeah man, the song name too, you know. Yeah man, that it name, yeah man. You see me? So that song a tough man, I want to pray it, you know man, cause don't do it, you know, we see don't drop all looking and look at bun off the street and them drop a next one after that, you know, but here what, we not talk about them there yet, yo, we just check out the song first.
Rifle with the strap a swing, copper shot make fatter slim. Like him trying a proper gym, is a stone that man a fling, yo what up, attack him. Flip them rum like when Beanie and Bounty, a clash a sting. And one vice the alien, yeah man. Lyrics sweet like bunny and the pastry van, yeah man. Deep me style and then even shape me on, yeah man. Rise the Cadian, clap it them ear slam, make it jump like Capitan, yeah now the ask them fear they done, yeah man. Right.
Viewers and subscribers, one thing more I'm for knowing, the first thing more I'm for knowing, a old thief doing a style and no shake him on. You hear the man say, them thief him style and they even shake him on. So the man I make a know say, yo, them thief him style and they even heal him up, give him no homage, you see me? No homage right there, so. But here me I say still that song a bad in a man. That song ya go burn off the road, no doubt. Because you see Donia I one of the icons them up there in the man. And you see governor him son, Jaja God. And Donia and governor right now alone, me can do a song. And have them type of flow there. Two of them, none of them now fall off. That song is tough. And we gonna see, we there you know man. YouTube there you know. From you have service, you go see what go on in the man. You know, I go hear it in the street too, you know, no joke in the man. Cause that song is one of the songs them in the man. That one you go burn off the summer. What me say? Burn off the summer, cause me tell you know already in the viewers and subscribers. Me tell you know say yo, I don't know we kick back in the man the whole year, you know, but that's when the summer touch. That he make for. Them man make for the summer and the Christmas, you know. No joke man. So when you say the artist lazy, the artist just kick back and I watch and I say, I wanna go and talk man. Cause I wanna just watch this. Bangers. Here governor come on an interview and tell you don't have more than 30 songs record and just put on say dog just go on freestyle. Yeah man, him just go on freestyle when you hear my drop no song. You see me? Yeah man, that song is one of the banger them, you know. Cause the man done have look up on off the road already, you know. Yeah man. Fever temperature drop what day in a couple days ago, you know. And now this, you know man. Songs, you know man. Pan songs, you know man. The man just a show and say, yo, I can do it too, you know man. Yeah man, don't feel like a lazy man. Just get caught up. Yeah man, no people say, yo, from doing about the big chain them, you know man. From doing I get jewels up, you know man. And start call himself the drip god, you know. Him get lazy, you know. Yeah, that them say. I say it go sometime. No joke. And you see governor viewers and subscribers. You see that young artist I name governor. That youth have talented in a man. More while you hear him sing on some song. And you say a governor who that? You see me? That you have to wonder about a governor and governor. Yeah man, viewers and subscribers. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Make you know what you think in the comment section of Stinger Family Entertainment. No joke.